Hey everybody, this is Brandon Hensinger, founder of SEMA Growth Solutions. Healthcare marketing is so much different than most other marketing that exists. First of all, healthcare is a market that will always exist because people are always going to be concerned about their health and will always be in need of healthcare. So no matter what the economy is doing, healthcare is going to persist. The healthcare market will always exist. With that said, the healthcare market, that is constantly fluctuating. There's always new innovation, there's always new development, always new products, always new direction, always new personalization, and new companies and services and products. So it's really important that while we know that healthcare as a market is always going to exist, we also have to really be on top of how it's changing, how it's evolving, and how people actually want to hear the message that you're delivering to them. Also, with a healthcare market and with healthcare marketing, it's pretty highly regulated. And this is something that I think a lot of clinics, a lot of healthcare service providers and businesses don't really think enough about. We're all very focused as a clinic and as a product or service provider on remaining HIPAA compliant, protecting patient privacy, protecting patient data, and yet we often don't think about that when it comes to what we put in marketing and what content we share in marketing. For example, if you're sharing patient testimonials or you're sharing patient stories, are they giving you consent to do that? It's really important that people are giving consent to those stories being shared. But on the other side of things, think about the services you provide, or the technology that you provide, or the supplements that you provide. Are you making claims online that they do certain things without qualifying whether or not it's an FDA-approved product or an FDA-approved statement? There's a lot of things that you really need to think about when it comes to healthcare marketing. Is what you're saying in violation of HIPAA? Is what you're saying making claims about a therapy that's really just an opinion or based on anecdotal evidence? I don't think enough people are thinking about those things when it comes to marketing a clinic or a business. So think about that in your own practice. Go back and do a marketing audit. Are you following those guidelines, or are you potentially in violation of those guidelines? If you're in violation of them, it's time to go back and think, how can you make those adjustments? If you'd like to have a strategy call with us, because this is so important, if you actually comment social below wherever you're watching this video, or just say, contact me, whatever you want to do, I'm happy to get on like a 30-minute phone call with you, like a strategy call to just help you understand it a little bit more. No charge, just happy to chat with you if you need any advice or guidance. So hopefully this was helpful and got your brain thinking about how healthcare marketing is different, and therefore you have to change your approach